what that means for you is that not only are you decreasing your principal every year, right? You're decreasing how much you owe. Your house is now worth more, and everything in between what you owe and what your house is worth is equity.
Well, first of all, we want to show you the homes that you want, absolutely. But we always are in constant contact with the lender to make sure that we're still hitting your comfort zone.
It just makes it easier on your end, so you can stay in great contact with us, and then we can stay in great contact with Joe. And then when we get to our position of getting an offer accepted, then that's when we reach out to like Alexandra, or we reach out to Victor over here for a home inspection, so we can get all of that stuff organized for you to get the process moving and close when we say we're going to close.
I'm Casey with Chicago Title. So I know there was a lot of talk about escrow. All the things that are going, the negotiations and the contracts, buyer and seller, just know that that's a safe space.
Home inspection. Yes, home inspection is very, very important.
Well, I would be your first line of defense, basically.
So I'm Alexandra, I'm an agency owner. Premium or cost, right? So when you are looking at a house, you're trying to figure out what you can afford, what you can't afford. Joe and I work in partnership. I work in partnership with these lovely ladies over here to make sure that we get people things that are affordable and that fits in their life and their budget.
Thank you, Joe, the mortgage giant.